Hey everyone, today I'm going to work on the 2017 Mazda CX-5, and today I'm going to clean the mass airflow sensor, which is right here. The reason I'm doing that is when the car is cold in the morning, it's got a little bit of a rough idle. I've already scanned it, there's no codes, nothing indicating any kind of issues. So what I'm suspecting is that the mass airflow sensor is dirty, which is causing it to have a possibly a incorrect air to fuel ratio in the morning when the engine is cold, and causing the rough idle. So what you're going to do is right here, there's just two screws. They're just regular Phillips heads. Just use that to remove it. With this sensor, you do have to be incredibly careful. You have your tab here. You're just going to press down on that with your thumb. And it just pops right off. Just like that. And then you're just going to gently wiggle the sensor out. Be incredibly careful. This wire is so small, so fragile, and if you break it, this will cost you at least $150, $200. That's aftermarket used. That's not new. So what I'm going to do now is use mass airflow sensor cleaner, and holding it about 6 inches away, we're going to spray this wire right here, and that's going to be it, just that wire. Do not use carb cleaner or any kind of other cleaner on this sensor. Don't even use electrical parts cleaner. Only use mass airflow sensor cleaner on this sensor. All right, that's it. Don't attempt to wipe it off with anything. Just let it air dry. You can blow on it a little bit, but don't use an air compressor or anything like that. This stuff dries incredibly quick. And that's it. So now you're just going to go ahead and reinsert it. Then just go ahead and reattach your clip. Wire harness. And then you're just going to go reinsert these screws. You don't want them super tight. Just tighten them down. And this is all plastic right here, so it is easily stripped. You want to make sure that you don't go too tight, because if you strip that and you're not able to tighten it down anymore, then you're going to end up having to replace this whole thing. All right, those are just snug. And that's it for the mass airflow sensor.